Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making this delicious sausage macaroni. So let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. Firstly, I'm going to be boiling water. I'll add in the macaroni. So I'm adding the macaroni into hot water. Add a little bit of salt. Turn it and cover it. Let it boil. If you pour it inside cold water, it will be gumming. Allow your water to be very hot before adding in the macaroni, because we don't want it to gum together. So we are going to cook it like 80% done. You see how it is now. I'm okay with it, so I'll sieve out the water. Then I'll start by frying the tomato, sausage and every other ingredient we are going to be using for this. So firstly, I'll fry the sausage. I'll add in the onions. Everything is going to go in one way. It's not hard, very easy to make. Ginger and garlic. You don't need too much ingredients for this. Then I'll add in my tomato paste. I'll allow that to fry very well before adding in any other thing, because we have to get rid of the tomato paste taste. If your oil is not enough, you add more so that it can fry the tomato very well. I add a little bit more oil. You can see it is frying very well. It's okay. I'll be adding in sliced fresh tomato. It's optional, you can add or you leave it out of it. But I add a little bit of fresh tomato. Then scotch bonnet, I slice it also. Then I'll add in the curry and thyme. Mix everything to combine. So I'll add in my seasoning and salt. Mix it very well and add in my bell pepper. I'm using red bell pepper and green bell pepper. You can use any color of your choice. So we are done with it now. I'm introducing the macaroni into the sauce. So mix everything together and that is all guys. The food is ready. It's as simple as that. Very easy meal to make, not too much ingredients. If you have watched to this extent, that shows you love this recipe. Please kindly hit the like button. Like this video so that it can reach a larger audience. If you are new here and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking on that video whenever it pops up. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. I really appreciate you. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique DJ Space. Thank you all so much. Please keep supporting your girl by subscribing, sharing, liking and commenting down below. Let me know what you feel about this recipe in the comment section. So we are done with the meal, so I'm just going to garnish it with some bell peppers, and that is all, ready to be served. So it's time to serve our delicious sausage macaroni. See you all in my next one. Bye.